Sanjana, thanks for taking out time to talk to us. Really, really excited to get the Equilibrium out. I think one of its kind, the best brand that I can think of for life coaching and for supporting corporates and individuals and employees. And I think HR departments are going to go crazy when this brand comes out. The Equilibrium is going to get launched very soon. Before it gets launched and midway to our services, I just wanted to have a small short candid discussion with you. This is not scripted bunch of questions. I'm just going to ask you some questions around our services.
Okay.
Till now. So to start with, I want to know when we approached you after your inquiry that came to us, did it make sense to what we explained to you as what all we can do for your brand?
Yeah, so actually, I thought it was very structured and it helped me work towards getting it out there as well.
Right.
Like, so because I was in the planning stage, also I thought that it would need a brand already for someone to create more noise around it
Right,
and get
right,
it out
right.
there. And I honestly was very happy with the approach because it was very structured. It was very point to point that, okay, this is going to happen, this is what we're going to do for
Right,
starters.
right.
Which gave me a head start as well, which
Sure.
gave me a head start to what I had to prepare
Right.
to at least give it to you.
Great, great.
So I think it was good.
So I think when you came up with this idea, the name was not decided.
Yeah.
We together, brainstormed a lot. We met a
Right.
lot, and we came up with the name, the Equilibrium. And now, as we are firm, with the name and the brand and the complete functionality, the navigation, the web, the UX experience, everything is in place. Of course, it's not, out to the public, but it will be very soon.
Right.
Now at this stage, after I think we've been working with you close to about a more than a quarter now, and what we structured and what we discussed with you initially, has that become real? Are we there yet?
I think it's become real to a certain level, but
Okay.
also because
Be
real
honest. Be
scenarios,
very
yeah,
honest.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
real
yeah.
situations, whether like I'm traveling or something else has happened, all of those combined, I don't think we are far apart from what we had discussed.
Okay.
So the timelines, everything is a little up down. You would say, I can say, but it's not far apart. And those things, I honestly, you anticipate it as a company. I'm sure you must have too,
Sure,
and
yes.
as a person who's getting the brand out, I have too.
Yeah.
I did keep a buffer period, but I don't think that I had to use much of it.
Great. Yeah, yeah.
It's not so far.
So it's great to hear, that you did understand in the initial stages, as well as you have that understanding that these things take time, and we try our best to stick to the timelines. But it happens, and
Yeah.
the travels and all that, of course, take a little toll over it. And we still, I think, within the timeline, but we have reached to a certain level where now the functionality is in place, and the navigation is in place, the UX
Right.
is in place, and we are now coming up with some video shoots for the people to actually understand what the Equilibrium is going to be all about. So my final question would be, as a company, TMU Branding and Marketing, for your brand and now for the future marketing activities, how do you see us getting engaged with those activities, and what do you think we as a company should improve into it?
So I think that I would say I see you guys doing the branding bit for the Equilibrium in a very special way, because you've like probably done this before for a website that you had mentioned.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that it's not exactly the same, but you've created like
You've
a
kept it different,
different
yes.
thing
It's a different
for
identity,
Yeah,
yes.
you've kept a completely different, I would
Different
say,
brand identity, yeah.
which is really good, and I expect the same from you guys, that you will keep it different and unique in the days to come, months to come, years to come. Where you can probably improve is when you go to a client, maybe your options are there. I don't say that they're not there, but just in case, like some options should be kept, keeping the person in mind, like the customer in mind. So if you have, say, 5 options that you've really worked hard on and you've done your research, you take it out there. They like it, they don't like it, irrespective. Now there's no older person with me, but for the other brand
Giving
that
more-
we're doing,
yeah, mhm.
they have specific ideas in mind. They have a specific mindset that you can't just change in one sitting, right?
Yes, that's true.
So
You mean the Dry It by Modern? Yeah.
so I would say that you should have like a couple of options, keeping to their taste as well, and like you can convince them. Of
Great.
course, you
Yeah,
can convince them to change their mindset, but at least they are happy that okay, we have some option that
To work
appeals
around.
to us as well.
Correct.
So that's the only suggestion
So
that I
that's
would
great,
give.
actually. Thank you for that. I think we'll take that as a very. We usually take all the inputs as very positive inputs.
I'm glad.
And this one as well. So Dry It by Modern is another brand that we have developed for your another company, and I think that's launched a couple of days back.
Yeah.
And it has come out pretty well, and I think everybody has approved it to be a very nice brand. And I think it's again a game changer in the towel industry, industry in India and exports.
Right.
So thank you very much overall
No problem.
for these answers, and we really appreciate you giving your business to us.
I just
yeah.
want to mention one thing.
Yes.
I am new to this city. It has been a very helpful identity for me. I would say that everything that I wanted to do for my brand, I would like not on work basis, but as a person who's guiding me through my marketing activities, everything, I would just mention it. And I'm very glad to say that whenever the team could help me, has helped me with all its heart. Like it has really helped me without questions asked. Like it's been like, okay, terms and conditions we'll figure out later. We first do this, which is very difficult to find, and trust me on that, it's very difficult to find.
I
So,
can see the genuinity in
yeah.
the way you are saying this, and once again, everybody is going to watch this, and this is not scripted at all. So this is a genuine
Yeah, it's really not.
point that she has given. Thank you so much for this.
Yes.
Really appreciate
Thank
for your
you,
time.
thank you.
Thanks a lot.